Got another product video for you today. I've owned this one for a while. Some of you might already know what this is if you watch some of the shenanigans that was going on at a recent after camp at Mr. Buckarooni's camping event. So if you're wondering what Mr. Buckarooni's camping event is, it's a charity event conducted by Buck, his nickname, from Mr. Buckarooni's YouTube channel. So if you haven't been on his channel yet or checked them out, make sure you check them out. Very popular. What I've got here is to do something to do with what I've got here. Timber, firewood. As you know, you would have seen in my last video that I've now got what's called a camp cube. So obviously use some firewood. So yes, I do, guys, when I have the opportunity to use firewood when I can in the camping. But a lot of situations, a lot of times I go camping, I don't have that access, or it's not allowed. It's at a national park. So I'm down here at a beautiful new campsite that I've recently found. I'm going to keep it secret, guys. You probably know why. I'm going to keep it secret. It's a beautiful campsite, not too far from home. Now, I purchased this one a while back, but this trip here, it's the first time I've actually taken it with me to go camping. You could probably guess it's a portable saw. So it's bought out by Milwaukee. I like the Milwaukee products. I use a lot of their products, hence I've already got the chargers, etc. Although in saying that, I purchased this as a kit and it's not badly priced at the local Total Tools store where I live in Bunnaboo. So it's not badly priced for what it is. Milwaukee is some very good gear. Comes with the bag, and of course it's a little chainsaw. You know how I like products that don't take up a lot of room in the vehicle, that does the job, good quality, lasts, and is compact and lightweight. This is certainly very lightweight. I've been looking around for a while, guys, and I've seen the steel chainsaws, the electric ones. They look great. I've seen the Ryobi. Quite a few YouTube channels are using the Ryobi and they're fine. But I've already got a lot of Milwaukee gear, like I mentioned. So I wanted to try to stick to the Milwaukee gear. That way the batteries I can interchange. So what do we got here? We have got a little portable. Wait till you see how cute this is. Check this out, guys. This is a 6-inch chainsaw. Fair dinkum. It's got the proper blade on it. It's got where you put your oil reservoir for the blade. Now I used this for the first time cutting timber when I got here yesterday, and I cut down practically a whole dead tree just about with this, and I've still got charge left in the original battery. This particular one is a 12 volt. Okay, so it takes these 12 volt batteries. These are 6 amp. I've got 2 of them. So I purchased as a kit, and it came, oh look at this, it actually came, it actually do have some chain oil here. Alright, I didn't realise that. I got 76 mils of chain oil. So when you purchase a kit, it comes with the chain oil. And I just so happened to telling the guys, oh bummer, I actually forgotten to bring me chainsaw oil. So I don't know how much timber I could cut, But guys, I cut a lot of timber yesterday and this is still half full. So of course, battery inserts in here like so. 12 volt. You might think don't have a lot of power, but boy, let me tell you, this thing rocks. Okay, this thing hammers. Nice sharp blade. So let's put it to test. I've got a bit of timber here. It's probably 3 inches thereabouts wide. Try to safely do this. Right, here we go. There we go, guys. Now basically, I just let the weight of the saw cut this, and it cut it that easily. So if you've got any other small pieces of timber, as you can see, very quick. Come to a bigger piece of timber now. Let's see how it goes. Now I was cutting pieces of timber that were the 6 inches round, up to 6 inches wide, because it's got a 6-inch blade, and it was getting through them no problems. So this pretty big piece of timber, try to cut it in half. Look at that, and a nice clean cut at that too. So there you go. I'm really happy with this. That's my little chainsaw, my chainsaw of choice that I'm going to start taking with me when I go camping. Very compact, very lightweight, made by Milwaukee. It's got the fuel motor, so it's variable speed, as you can see. So I can go slow, I can go fast. And boy, when you go fast, it's very fast. You may think 12 volt, not enough, but you can see how much power that easily cut through this timber. And that's fairly hard timber too. Excellent. Lots of safety features. Got the bar gauge, as you can see when you buy the kit. Also comes with the oil that I didn't realize. Got an awesome bag here to store it in. Comes with the charger. You see I got the charger, and comes with 2 6-amp batteries. Now you can buy these without the kit. Okay, you can buy this on its own. So if you already own Milwaukee gear like I do have a charger that will charge this up, although the batteries that I've got on my 12 volt drill are quite old and they're only about 1.5 and 2 amps. So you really need something that's more than 1.5 or 2 amps. This is 6 amp, but as I mentioned, I cut a lot of timber yesterday and it's still got plenty of oomph in this battery. So I'm loving this, guys. I think it's awesome. It's got a safety feature here. You got to depress this thumb before it, so if you're sitting on the ground, there's no way you can start that up. And guys, it's going to build your thumb muscles up after a while, because it takes a bit of pressure to push that down. So you've actually got to push that lever down and hit that trigger before it starts. It's also got another handle here that you can hold on to, guys, so safely. Probably best to hold on like so, carry it like so as well. And the battery, when you finish, of course, to be safe, just remove your battery, put it away. It's got a tray in here, guys, so you won't have to worry any oil that's leakage off the machine. It'll collect in the tray. Just keep the bag nice and clean, and it straps in place in that tray. So guys, do yourself a favour, go check out the Milwaukee Fuel. These are not long been released. Total Tools sell them. Any of your specialised Milwaukee dealers will also sell these. Of course, I'm based in Australia, and I'm down at this beautiful campsite trying all this gear out, and I'm loving it. So guys, thanks for watching. Look after yourself. Be kind to everyone. Any questions, ask down below, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I know there's a lot of yous out there that haven't got the opportunity to subscribe. That's fine, guys, that's fine. But if you are a member of the YouTube community and you are signed up, I'd appreciate if you subscribe it. Otherwise, guys, even if you are subscribed, put a like, guys. Put a like and comment down below, because it will, even though, well, I understand if you're not joined the YouTube community, got a YouTube account, you will not be able to comment, but I'm sure you can still like. So every like that I get will help my channel enormously. So guys, till next time, take care. Cheers.
I feel like I'm afraid to say how I feel, to know I let you down. Cause late nights turn to days, don't wanna let you down. With each breath we give away, it'll never be the same. I'm chasing somebody who won't ever ease the pain, but I don't want half of your heart, heart, heart. You can have it back if it's only half of your heart. Of your